Radial nerve, we can see the picture of brachial plexus and radial nerve here. Now, radial nerve is a branch of posterior cord of brachial plexus. It supplies to all extensor compartment muscles of hand. In arm, it supplies to only muscle known as triceps brachii, and in forearm, it supplies to all extensor compartment muscles. Now, radial nerve is divided into two branches known as superficial branch and deep branch. Superficial branch passes through arm and forearm. Deep branch is also known as posterior interosseous nerve. Now, in arm, radial nerve supplies to only muscle known as triceps muscle. We know triceps has three heads. Those are long head, medial head and lateral head. Now we will separately discuss about forearm muscles under two categories, superficial muscles and deep muscles. Superficial muscles are anconeus brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor digiti minimi, extensor carpi ulnaris. Deep muscles are supinator, abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis longus, extensor indicis. These are the deep muscles of forearm. Anconeus brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus. These three muscles are supplied by superficial branch of radial nerve. Rest all muscles are supplied by deep branch of radial nerve. Now we'll see a rough diagram of radial nerve for our clean understanding. Radial nerve in axillae, in arm, in forearm and in hand. The root value of radial nerve is C5 to C8. Now, radial nerve gives to a branch in axillae, posterior cutaneous nerve of arm, and it supplies to long head of triceps, and it also supplies to medial head of triceps, and then it supplies to lateral head of triceps in arm. Now it gives to a branch called lateral cutaneous nerve of arm, and it also supplies to anconeus superficial muscle of forearm, and gives to a branch called posterior cutaneous nerve of forearm, and it also passes through intermuscular septum, lateral intermuscular septum, and then it gives to a branch called brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus. We studied earlier that anconeus brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, these three muscles are supplied by superficial branch of radial nerve. Now it also gives to a branch called for elbow joint. Now from here it divides as a deep branch of radial nerve. Deep branch is also known as posterior interosseous nerve. So the deep branch supplies to supinator, extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor digiti minimi, extensor carpi ulnaris, abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis longus, extensor indicis, and it also gives to a joint called inferior radioulnar joint. It gives to inferior radioulnar wrist joint. Now the superficial branch supplies to skin of half of hand and skin over anatomical snuff box and lateral 2.5 digits except nail beds. From supinator to inferior radioulnar wrist joint, it is a branch called deep branch. Rest all is known as superficial branch of radial nerve. Now we see here three cutaneous branches are posterior cutaneous nerve of arm, lateral cutaneous nerve of arm, and posterior cutaneous nerve of forearm. These are the only cutaneous branches of radial nerve. Rest all are superficial and deep muscles of arm and forearm. Now we see the actual picture of radial nerve in hand